If you want to see quote retweets on X, formerly Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open a tweet, find the post activity, and check the quotes tab so you can see who quoted that post publicly. This is a super useful trick if you want to track engagement, see how people are responding, or monitor how a post is being shared across the platform. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open X and find the tweet you want to check. If you're scrolling through your feed, tap or click on the tweet itself to open its dedicated page. This part is important because you need to be viewing the individual post, not just the preview inside the timeline. Once the tweet opens in full, look toward the top right corner of the post. You should see the three dots menu, which is the overflow menu for more options. Click the three dots. A menu will appear with several actions you can take on that tweet. From that list, select View Post Activity. This is the option that lets you see more detailed engagement information for the post, including views, reposts, likes, and quote activity, depending on the account and post visibility. After the post activity screen opens, look for the Quotes tab. Tap or click that tab, and X will show you the public quote retweets for that tweet. These are the posts where other users added their own comment while sharing the original tweet. It's a great way to see how people are discussing the post, reacting to it, or adding their own perspective. If you don't see many quotes, that can happen for a few reasons. The tweet may not have received any public quote retweets yet, or some quote posts may be limited by privacy settings or account visibility. But if quotes are available, they'll show up right there in the Quotes tab for easy viewing. And that's all there is to it. To recap, open the tweet, tap the three dots, choose View Post Activity, and then open the Quotes tab to see the public quote retweets. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick X tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.